MMUN is a transformative experience that provides not only substantive academic growth, but also personal development with the potent addition of connecting with an international community of young problem solvers. By assuming the role of an ambassador of their selected country, students enlarge their understanding of the world, awaken to the needs of others different than their own, enhance their compassion for others, and identify the importance of multilateralism and consensus building to solve global problems. Through this hands-on, real-life experience, students become global citizens, critical thinkers, and problem solvers, all the while developing their social-emotional intelligence. Students learn that listening, collaboration, consensus building, and interdependency are required for sustainable solutions. They can articulate #the world we want. Our program is anchored in the principles of Dr. Maria Montessori, where collaboration is key to developing effective solutions and where empowering youth is the only path to real change. MMUN is an inclusive organization open to all schools and programs and easily fits with all pedagogies. But you must see it to believe it. Come join us for MMUN Year-long Program 21-22. You won't regret it.